They said, here we go again. Living this life, we still pretend. Yes, they said, here we go again. Playing a game that we would never win. Because we want to be stars. Yes, we want to be stars. We want to get high as the moon. We want to float with those stars. Because there's more than this life than just diamonds and cars. We want to take over the world with a rapid applause. And my question is to you, are you with us? Because it's hard to watch life through a telescope when you still living by those mental notes, and when you don't know what you want but your mind is made up. But yeah, it's time to show the world what you really made of. Now, dissecting the masses is the finest pleasure, while suicide is an option if my time is measured. But you never knew, from our point of view, the vision is scary as a visionary. When the future is pointing at you, the 90s era where they still trying to tame us, they never seen reality because the television raised us. We are children of the baby boomers, lost in these crazy rumors. They said we would never amount to nothing because our attention span is next to nothing. Next to nothing. Look at us now.